This is the light source right here where I'm at the B&G Plaza. This is where I get on the bus in the morning. And where is it? It's right there over the SCHIRO'S liquor where I stand in the morning. And the entity keeps that fake sun as I go east to Fontana. And as I remain in that city, you're talking about what is 6:38 p.m. It's 6:47 p.m. as that light source remains in alignment with that library. As I'm showing you the light activity aimed inside of that Fontana Lewis library. This is not that. This is not in alignment with the Fontana Lewis library. 10 minutes later, it's not over what is, again, Ontario, while I'm still en route, for example, on what the entity is doing, again, Friday through Sunday, when I'm leaving before 6 p.m., where the entity is not in it, under those circumstances, it's not remaining in alignment with what is the interior of that Fontana Lewis library, because I've already exited, and I'm walking on Sierra Avenue. I'm walking to the Fontana Metro train station, and that's where I'm capturing what's the light source. And then it's remaining over me while I'm on that bus, street for street, turn for turn. Okay, this is the entity maintaining the light source as I am here at the B&G Plaza, the same B&G Plaza where it is essentially, it's right here over the intersection of Euclid and Holt. This is Metro 102. This is Ontario Town Square Townhomes. That is the intersection of Euclid and Holt right there. The T-Mobile, the RIA money transfer, where the entity is also keeping the fake sun as I am present there early in the morning, getting on Route 83, 85. Understand what the entity is doing. All it did was move east as I moved east, and that placement in and of itself is also impossible because I'm at those locations in the morning. It is not going to be present under any circumstances. And what the entity does with this light source is based on where I am and what direction I'm going and where I'm coming from, while it's keeping the fake sun over me all day long. All right, this is under no circumstances of the sun. That's SCHIRO'S liquor, where the entity is keeping the fake sun in the morning. 6:48 p.m. in the evening. This is nowhere in Fontana, and while I would still be on the bus en route to this venue, and the entity is keeping that fake sun on that bus in alignment with me. This is not coexisting. This is not remaining stationary while I'm here, and then also while I'm on Route 61, for example, while the entity is engaging in this kind of street for street, turn for turn maintenance of that light source. In addition, as I'm coming from the opposite direction, as I stated, from today, Montclair, and you have the light source in the same position over the same venue, the same environment where I'm present in the morning. This is stalking with light. Okay, it's currently 6:49 p.m. and this is P.O.C. and you're also paying attention to what is the directed light. Look at my shadow. This is engineered light and aiming directed light inside of the venue, which is SCHIRO'S liquor. All right, and this is impossible light activity, and not the sun under any circumstances. It's not going to be present over the same environment for the duration of the day, and it's also impossible that it's over any other state, for example, Texas. And I'm just using Texas as a random example. This is speaking to what is no movement of a light source whatsoever. An impossibility. It's demonic. Speaking to the identity and the intentional presence. CAOIT19. That's a paper plate, and this is POC. It is 6:50 p.m.